What if I told you that you can create viral Hollywood VFX behind-the-scenes videos using AI, without a Hollywood studio or expensive equipment?
Camera one, ready on dolly. We have a tremor. Ignition in 3, 2. That was incredible, guys.
Today, I'll show you a simple AI workflow to create these cinematic VFX BTS videos. Now let's see how you can create this viral Hollywood VFX BTS video yourself. The complete master prompt is already available in the video description, so you don't need to write the prompt from scratch. Simply open the description, copy the master prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you different cinematic locations and VFX concepts to choose from. Pick your favorite one, and ChatGPT will generate the complete video prompt for you. Then copy that prompt. Next, open Google Flow, select your video model, paste the prompt, and generate your video. In just a few moments, you can create realistic miniature sets, film crews, cameras, explosions, crashes, and cinematic VFX
Camera
scenes.
one, ready on dolly. We have a tremor. Ignition in 3, 2. That was incredible, guys.
And that's it. If you want more viral AI video ideas and tutorials, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.